Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Vario-W Baratza grinder with us in the shop. And it came in for a few things, but mainly it was just needing to uh, deep cleaning and replacement of the burrs. And this grinder specifically was used for 5 years without being serviced. And so after that long of a time, you would definitely need some sort of servicing. And so we went in there and we cleaned out the grind chamber, which is the space between the hopper and, of course, where the last burr sits. The type of burrs that are inside of your machine originally, here's one of them, is this one. This is a ceramic burr. As you can see, it's very light, has this brown hue to it, and so we replaced them with steel burrs. And so you have nice chunky steel burrs in there. Grinds really well, and so we're going to just quick demonstration of grinding. We're going to grind 30 seconds worth of grounds, and we're going to see what happens. As you can see, sounds normal. This grinder runs on weight, which is what the W stands for, I believe. And so we are just going to grind until it gets me 30 grams. As you can see, sounds really nice. Things we didn't do is we didn't clean the actual, the actual tray or soak the hopper, because when you do that, you're really risking decolorization, or you don't want any water near your grinder either way. And so there's that grind for you. And I didn't calibrate this grinder at all. This is just originally how it came. And so, as you can see, nice fine coffee ground. And yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.